Welcome to the channel. I am a twat, and I'm a twat in India. You're joining me on day 3 of riding the Himalayan in the Himalayas. Let's see what today's going to bring. Once again, the man of the day has got a plan.
So today, instead of going up the mountains, what we've done the last couple of days, we're going to a place called Sangam Point. And what that point is where two major rivers come together, and it should be spectacular and pretty. Not just that, after that we can follow the road along the river and hopefully see a frozen waterfall.
So we're just coming out of the town we're staying in, on our way to that apparently epic Sangam Point. Taking Alan's word for it, looking forward to it, hoping it is as awesome as it sounds. Oh, it's cold today. We were scuppered yesterday for riding. It was quite a fair snowfall, which made, or would have made, riding completely impossible. We did a little bit of the touristy stuff, and I didn't film. So if you want to take a look at what we did, have a look at Alan's video, Helmet Head, for yesterday. Now moving on to today. Oh, still feeling, as you can hear in my voice, really quite under the weather. Low oxygen levels, cold temperatures, and a very unfit body don't make this the cleverest of things to do. Wow, I wouldn't be a twat if I didn't do something like this. Still an incredible opportunity. Oh, that was ice. Wow, now we've hit the better roads. There's a good pace on these roads. Jess had some nice long straights. Winding our way around the valley, starting to climb now. Starting to look like what I'd expect to see. This is good. Bike feels like it's very underpowered, I have to say. I don't know if that's just my inexperience or what it is. It seems to be wanting to go now, doesn't it? I don't know whether it's just lack of air, lack of me getting the right gearing. Oh, whatever. It's still getting there. What an epic place to be. Sangam Point, beautiful. Just one theory to test right now. This well-known branded energy drink, does it really give you wings? As much as I could sit here all afternoon and chill, it is so peaceful. Not now with the sound of bikes ready, I'm revving up and getting ready to go, but it's time to move on. Heading now to Chilling Waterfall, hoping there may be some flowing water as well as some icicles, some epic views, and a journey. Oh, it's all about the journey, isn't it? Some awesome riding. Let's deal with this zip and get moving. Catch you in a bit. So crossing over to the other side of the valley. A little bit of a climb, I think, here. It's going to be some epic views. And I got to have the camera on because you still got to focus on the riding. And I'm not seeing it as much as you are. Oh, that voice still really isn't good. But the views are, and the riding is. Definitely the right time of year to be doing this. Not because of the temperatures. The temperatures are disgusting. -10, -15. But because of the quietness, this is a very touristy area, clearly. And there's good reason for that, but we're out of season. Well out of season. We got the roads to ourselves. We're just doing our own thing. A nice little chat with the policeman there. I think they were being nice, but they were making sure we were doing things properly as well. Very interested in Alan's drone. Oh, and yeah, very polite. But that's the only people we've seen other than a couple on their first wedding anniversary, apparently, according to Mikey, who spoke with them. And as you can see now, we got the roads to ourselves. Definitely the right time of year to be doing it, if you don't mind a bit of cold weather. Well, we're all, I think, in our element here. This is definitely my happy place. We've got the roads to ourselves, all bar a few pedestrians. Oh, and a car. Up until now, we've had the roads to ourselves. On some good quality tarmac. You got to be aware that there's some rough patches, as you've probably seen. But yeah, we're just flying it, loving it, trying to get ahead and get a drive-by of everybody, and they're just pushing themselves as much as the rest, as much as we are, as much as I am even. Oh, I can't talk, but you can probably hear the excitement, the happiness in my voice has changed. Riding this way, the Atlas managed to make some ground. Now, accidents do not happen, they are caused. I'm loving these little signs all along these roads, all little safety mottos. Very clever, very thoughtful, and very truthful. It's all about safety, but for us it's all about enjoying it as well. Give it some beans. So you've got to be extremely observant. I'm same as everyone on a motorbike, isn't it? But these are roads we don't know the conditions. Conditions do change very quickly. We're okay for ice so far. Whoa. And there is exactly what I was saying. Wow. Looks like a stopping brake. Oh yes. The real reason Alan wanted to stop. So we're still following this valley now, shortly to arrive at this Chilling Waterfall, another apparently beautiful spot. As much as I'm enjoying the beauty, I'm also loving the ride. Looks like we've got a police checkpoint stop. Okay. Well, I am filming. I may be requested to turn them off shortly. Oh, so we've been given the go-ahead. Well, that's alright then. Interesting. I have to talk to Alan and see what they were saying. Probably just go slow. I don't even know what I was saying before we stopped. I think I was saying as much as I was enjoying the beauty of everything we're seeing, I'm enjoying the riding even more. Really am. I know I keep saying it, but I really am in my happy place now. This is the waterfall, on all accounts. So, Alan,
Yeah.
what exactly were the police telling you?
Well, the police turned around and said, I kept saying waterfall, and they kept going blasting, blasting. I went, can we go? And he was like, 20 kilometres, turn around, come back, blasting, blasting. I went, waterfall, and he went, no waterfall. So anyway, we found something, so let's go and see what that is.
In all fairness, it isn't much of a waterfall, is it?
We can make it look good, make it look good.
Yeah. This is Chilling Waterfall. What can I say? I think no comment says enough. There may be another waterfall. And that's beautiful as it is, isn't it? But yeah, we know. If you can see that down this slope, I think it might actually be worth. Oh, he's filming as well. But yeah, I'm already going. Might actually be worth getting this on camera, because it's not level ground. It could be me going, or it could be Alan going, because I'm trying to hold the camera steady and watch my feet at the same time. But no, on all accounts, just through those trees we can hear running water. There might be something more to see. He's going for it. He's going for it. Now, let's give it a go. Look at you. Or do I look at the road? Road, path. It's not actually that bad. It's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Ooh. Man, that was cold. Definitely refreshing. Definitely scenic. Well worth the journey. The journey was probably better than the destination, but that's why we're here. Mikey, are you going to take a walk on the ice for us to get that shot?
Sure, I'll do that.
Mikey, it's that way. I think you're running away. I can't say I blame him. Going up is more of a challenge than coming down. This is a lot more effort going up. I don't think we're actually at that high an altitude, but I cannot breathe. Was it worth it for the shot? Probably. Well, Alan originally sent Mikey up. He found a path above the waterfall there, and Mikey's got to the top and called us all up. So Alan, the intrepid explorer he is, has decided he will go and have scrub that. Battery died, and in the meantime Alan took one look at the way up and said, nah, I ain't doing that either. So he's now going to send the drone up. I'm not sending mine up now. We'll have a look at that on helmet heads filming. What are you giggling about?
He's just done a moonie.
No.
What's wrong with the man?
hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. This is just incredible. The open roads, the views, the tarmac, everything. I'm just smiling from ear to ear. I might not sound like it. These are the roads I want to ride all day long. All day long. Start the temperatures. Better because it's cold, because there's no tourists here. There's literally 1 or 2 cars on the road. The most we've seen, in fact, I think they've all been police or the odd tour vehicle. And they're driving sensibly anyway. You've got plenty of time to steer them. You can see that they're open twisties. You've seen what we've just been playing. I think Mikey's actually taking it a bit steady now. Well, there you go. I'm not. Just go. Open it. Obviously there's a small amount of sensibility going on there. I'm being extremely observant. I'm expecting there to be gravel on every corner and broken roads, but when you can see that it's good, you can just go. And I'm still taking in the views. But it's about the biking, isn't it? This is about the bikes. This is the riding. Where else in the rest of the world? Well, there's plenty of places, but none that I've been. This is a first time experience for me. I mean, this bike is capable. Bike is probably more capable than me. I am loving the Himalayan, I have to say. Wouldn't have ever been my choice of bike for the UK. This bike is designed to ride these roads, these twisties. It's planted. It's not too soft, although it felt it to start with. It's got the power you need. It's not excessive power, but it's there. And you listen to it. Listen to that noise. If you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. Probably can't even hear my voice. I am so thrilled, enthralled, whatever. I don't know what the word is. It doesn't need words. Just look at the pictures and listen to that sound. 35 kilometers to Leh. I don't ever want it to end. I do never want this to end. 35 kilometers. It's not far enough. There. It's a shoe. Somebody lost their shoe. They're gonna have very cold feet. Oh, oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. It just doesn't end. I'm just having too much fun. There's the point we were at earlier. Suppose I better wait for the guys to catch up. Left them behind. Are they coming? Let's just see just how much fun I've been having. Oh, they've been having a lot of fun too, because they're not that far behind. Oh dear me. I'm puffed out of breath, but I'm so loving it. I expect they'll probably stop down here now. I'm glad I put the cameras on there, because it's so tempting when you're on the roads like this, just say, "Sod YouTube, I'm just going to enjoy this," and I did enjoy it anyway. Sometimes you just just following a little bit of instruction from Alan there for his 360 footage. I thought they'd stop here. Well, we just stopped over there to get some general store shopping, and as we were putting away, Alan just said to me, "I'm following you." I don't know where I'm going. I have no idea where I'm going. We got the sat nav set, and yeah, this is where it's brought us. Very nice quiet road, not the best of conditions, lots of loose sand and gravel, and I think I'm going a little bit quicker than they want to be going. Well, now it's brought us up to a main road, look. That wasn't too painful. Well, back into the slightly more civilised areas now, the town areas. I think Alan's looking for a cafe, a coffee shop. I'm not sure. He tried to give me a hand signal. I'm not sure what he was saying. Whether he was telling me to slow down, stop, whether he wanted to get ahead because he wanted to get some drive-by footage. I don't drive-by footage. I don't know. But I've stuck with him anyway, and he doesn't seem to be complaining. But yeah, I think today was the best yet. But I think I'm just gonna finish it here, because I don't think I'm gonna beat anything we've done with this little ride back to Leh to the hotel. It's 9 kilometers. Excuse me, 15 minutes riding now. Get back. I think we could all do with a nice coffee or a beer, and then some food, same as every night. Today has put some smiles on my face.